Look at that right there. I'm gonna get my friends' reactions when they see this. Guys, it's freaking crazy. I'm gonna get y'all's reactions when you see it.
It's my reaction.
No, y'all stay in a group, stay in a group, stay in a group.
What's going on?
When y'all see it, come here. Just come this way, I want to get y'all's reactions when you see it. Dude, look at these knob makers, geisters.
This is what you call a race car.
Oh. Dude, the door is so light. Look at that carbon fiber. Beautiful interior. I cannot believe I finally get to see this thing. This door is so light too.
Bro, my finger.
Hudson, look at the Porsche. First of all, look at that wing right there. Like, that is ultimate wing gang. Wow, I cannot believe I can finally see this. The only thing better is if I could hear it. Now, there's some cool stuff right over here. Let's check it out. Guys, look at this insane GT3 RS and the GT2 RS. You know what a great thumbnail would be? So yeah, GT3 versus GT2 RS. And I want to show you. That is gorgeous. And that is so awesome. Guys, which one would you want? This one has a lot of carbon fiber. This is the new GT3 RS. And it has a lot of like satin black, and it just looks so good. So
I like how the design of the three
very difficult.
Sleeker and sharper.
Look at that front lip. Looks like Jay Leno.
Probably not. Oh, then I'm not gonna take it. Stop, stop. This is how you repair a Porsche. This is how you repair a Porsche. Bro, no it isn't.
See.
It's all is this a rally car, bro? It's not bent. It's all
It's fine, bro.
No,